Well, I am currently heading out of town to meet up with some folks, some more of the quad guys from the Central Oregon FPV group. And we are supposed to be taking a ride out on some ATVs, and we're going to be doing some filming for them. The video we take might end up in one of the commercials. So we're just getting a ride out with them and going to give them some video after we get out there. We're supposed to be doing some chasing of the ATVs and stuff like that, so hopefully it's going to be a cool trip.
Dusty out there, fellas.
Central Oregon, and it hasn't rained in months.
up in Cascades, helping them film. We just went on an awesome ride on these RZRs. Never been on one of those before. It was pretty sweet riding through the forest on one of those. Now we're up here getting some shots for these guys. They're doing some rentals, so they want to use some of our footage for a commercial. We're trading them this adventure for some footage. So anyway, I just flew the Phantom 4. Yeah, got a couple other guys up here flying their quads, Underhover and Adrian, and they're doing some runs right now. I'm just swapping batteries on the Phantom and then going to go back to it. But what a cool evening. Great weather out here. They even got, oh, you can't see it here, got Broken Top up behind us, but you'll see it in the video. But super cool. I'm getting back at it.
In my feet, searching for a glimpse of sunshine. World is great, can't even find the skyline. Just another restless night. Heartaches from trying to get it right. Canopy broken feelings. How do I keep on breathing? And you came along. All my doubts are now forgotten. Nothing's hazy. Yeah, you're the light. You're my electricity. Let the snow fall down. Wind and you're my safety in a winter storm. You're my electricity. No fear, just tell me and I would run away, hide away with you. Together there's nothing we can't do. Storm's coming in fast, let the snow fall down. Not afraid because you came along. All my doubts were then forgone. Nothing's hazy, yeah, you're the light. You're my electricity. Let the snow fall down. Wind and hail too, 'cause I found you're my safety in a winter storm. You're my electricity.
got a drive on the way back. It was pretty sweet. Thanks to everybody who brought us out here. I'll leave some of the links below to their websites and stuff like that. But about ready to throw my stuff on my gear in the car and head out. What an awesome afternoon. Super awesome afternoon. Thank you. Super sweet.
Center console thing, you can put your phone in there.
Oh yeah?
Take a little selfie video of me driving.
Nice. I am headed back. That was a freaking blast. So thanks to Octane Rentals. They're the ones who had the RZRs that they're just starting out. They're going to start renting those things, and thanks to Central Oregon FPV Facebook page. If you guys are in Central Oregon and you fly quads and you enjoy it and you want to fly with other folks, look up the page and you know, see what's going on. That's how I found out about this, and what a great opportunity. Just super cool. But that's it for this adventure, and we'll see you next time.